quickly. Alright. It's a 30-foot pacemaker. Alright. Got that fin, that means it runs, son. It means it runs fast. And that's a racing stripe. This thing better run. Alright. Quick walkthrough of the 28-foot pacemaker. Air conditioner, 2 bunks, big old cabinet space. Stove sits there. Nice refrigerator. Bathroom, aka the head, but needs a toilet. Like another bed area. The benches, some old cord. You could use some paint and a headliner up there. Not bad. Of course, out there. Free old generator. Big fishing deck. And of course, up there, the captain's house. Alright, let's see. I need to get out. Talk to you later. We on? Alright, we're recording. Alright, there's our new battery. There's our old batteries. They're not too bad looking. Old charger. Valves look good. Water inlet valves. Tranny. Motor. Let's get it from this side. This thing just might fire up. I gotta get one more battery down here. Alright.